and welcome fashion fans to another episode of Clothing Made Easy. I'm your humble host Tanner Keeley Carslan, and we're here to demystify the world of clothing manufacturing. We are here once again with Valerie Susilo, the creative director of CMgarmindo, and today we're going to be talking about computer-aided design. What the heck is that? Over to you, Valerie.
So computer-aided design, or CAD as we say, is a program that we use to create our pattern. So people get confused with this. What is a pattern actually? So there's two definitions of pattern. First is the one that you see in my clothes right now. The pattern here is also called a pattern, but this is a surface pattern. The second one, for example, is this t-shirt. So you see in this t-shirt, there's this. This is the sleeve. The sleeve is one pattern. There's the front panel. There's the back. There's the collar. When we sew this all together, it became a garment.
Dun, 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 t-shirt.
Like that.
Well, that's fantastic as an example of what CAD and computer-aided design patterns are. This is going to be another technical episode for you all out there that want to learn about how things work in the back end, the backstage of clothing manufacturing and design. So let's get started. All right, Valerie, so we're up here at your workstation. What are we looking at?
So this is the program that we're using. It's called Optitext. So what we see here already, I will show you a pattern, a bikini bottom pattern. Let's have a closer look at it. Okay, this is the full pattern for a bikini bottom. Like over the top here, this long rectangle piece is actually the pattern for the tie. This bikini bottom has a tie on the side pleat. Underneath that, these two pieces is the panel for the front and the back. This particular bikini bottom has a lining in it, so we have to create another pattern for the lining, which is these two pieces underneath those. Now on the foremost bottom part of this chart is the measurement chart. This is how you see the measurement for each of the garment here and the graded pattern.
Valerie, what do you mean by graded patterns? Can you just describe that?
So a graded pattern is how we take the sample size, which is the M, and grade it into a size L, XL, and shrink it into size S and XS.
Okay, so these are the different measurements for all the different patterns for all the different sizes, right?
Yep. So let me show it. So check this out. Now let me zoom in.
Oh, cool. What are we looking at?
So the blue part here is our sample size, which is size M. Now you see these lines here, the colorful line and the dotted line. That is our size XS, S, M, L, and XL. The red one, the bigger one, is the XL, and this line here, the small pink line, that is the XS.
That's so amazing. Wow, what an awesome look at that.
And that is how we make the graded patterns. This is the graded patterns.
Wow, Valerie, that was such a cool look at something really technical and also the software that we use for patterning. It's such an amazing view of what it's really like to be in the back end of clothing design and manufacturing.
And remember everyone, the accuracy of what pattern I can make depends on you, how you measure it and what measurement you provided us with. So check out our previous episode about Tech Pack.
That's awesome. Yes, don't forget to like and subscribe as well. We hope you found this informative, and thanks again for watching another episode of Clothing Made Easy. I'm your humble host Tanner Keeley Carslan, and we'd love to see you next time.